Look at it very well now, eh? There is a numbering here you can follow. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. Then apart from that, there's also a manual here that actually explains it. Do you understand? So now without me showing you, or you're trying to thread it, let me see.
The thread.
Like thread the machine.
Like putting the thread.
Yes, pass the thread. Draw out the thread stand so it will be longer. So we are trying to see how easy it is for you. You're not following the numbers. Try to follow the numbers. There are numbers, arrows, and everything you can follow. So we're trying to see how easy it is for a first timer to do a threading without help. Most people are always asking me that they need a machine that is beginner friendly, and she's not a tailor. So let's see.
Yeah.
Let me rate you. So you did it from here to here to here to here, and you you what? How did you win?
You failed. How?
Did she lose or she failed?
She failed.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
That she failed, Abby?
Yes. What did I say?
She won. She passed it. Look at it. 1, you go down. 2, it come back up. 3, and you go back down. 4. So she passed it. Even you that was saying you want to do first.